My name is Durga Singer. I'm a physician advisor in faculty development. Today, I would like to review for you the Faculty Performance Evaluation Form. This year, we took feedback from faculty and departments and revised and edited the annual Faculty Development Form. We feel that this evaluates both the necessary metrics, but also career development more robustly, and we hope that your annual faculty evaluation following a similar template can provide faculty with both evaluation and with a path to progressing in their career. We have color-coded sections to assist in the completion by clarifying tasks that should be performed by department staff, the faculty member themselves, and the faculty evaluator. We have placed the core pillars of Michigan medicine and the Michigan expectations model directly on the form to help in setting goals, as the evaluation is done based on each core pillar. We asked the faculty member to list all work focused on helping people, including professionalism, diversity initiatives, etc., under the people section. Under Discovery, we recommend listing current grants, publications, papers, and awards over the last year or two. Education should include teaching accomplishments or awards. Care section should include care metrics and quality improvement and anything else related to patient care. The service section should include committee work institutionally, nationally, and other outreach. The self-assessment page should summarize main accomplishments you have had, consider goals for the next year, and determine steps to achieve these, including professional development. This year, we have added a mentorship page since creating a network describing your mentorship and who you mentor can help you better understand who can help you in achieving the goals you have. Other core areas, including wellness and DE&I initiatives, are placed here to truly support your work with your individual goals. The faculty evaluator should review the form prior to meeting with the faculty member and determine if goals are appropriate, and adjust goals, suggest career development offerings, and determine if further mentorship would be of benefit. After review, please provide an evaluation for performance overall for the faculty member in all core areas, and any comments or expectations for the next year. We hope that you find this tool to be helpful for you and your faculty.